I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst.
Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
All right, so what is this in here? What is this?
Crackles.
Is this pinball parts, arcade machine parts, or the pool heater parts?
Crackles.
What is it?
It's Crackles.
Crackles. Snap, crackle, pop, like, isn't it like a cereal from the 80s?
No, it's Crackles.
Got damage already. Oh boy. All right, what are we gonna do today, guys? My sons, we're gonna build it, box it, and build and demo it. Let's go. Backwards Bob. Oh, boom. Booyah. Over 6 feet tall. That's not taller than me, though. I still got your beat there, pal. His hair looks like the neon ice cream guy, the neon nightmare clown hair. Every time we do an unboxing, sometimes it's so fast because Jonathan just can't help himself and he just flies through it. But we do got to keep notice of how they pack it. So I'm just taking this shot right now. I'm going to take a picture. And we're going to notice how they pack it. So maybe we'll keep everything the way it is and not rip out the cardboard and put it back the same way. That would be fantastic. Yeah, right.
Is it heavy?
Let's see this head.
It's got some weight. It's got weight.
Kind of a heavy head, but it has a snap lock, so that's good. Okay, take it out, man. Let's see this guy. Don't drop him.
There's tape
Let's see his
on
head. Yeah, that's smart.
it. It isn't latex though. I thought it would be.
You got a seat.
That's some cheap tape.
Now we know there's been a bunch
Oh,
of
no
bunch of
way.
unboxes
It's waterproof.
already. Well, kinda.
It's waterproof.
It's waterproof, but we would never leave it outside in the rain.
It's weatherproof.
Again, as much as it's weatherproofed, we would still bag these suckers up.
And it's waterproof too. This is like a 12-foot adapter.
No, it's pretty heavy.
Trying to keep notice of here of how to do this. I'll take another picture. Imagine we could put it back the same exact way. Yeah, sure. How small this guy's hands are, man. Jonathan's hands are bigger than his hands.
Kind of.
Look at my hands.
Let me see.
Put it on top of my hand. You can see how this difference in size. This is like a kid compared to me. Oh my God. And he's 6 foot. He has huge feet, but he has small hands. Like, what's going on with this guy? I guess he has small feet too. Those are just shoes.
This one is bigger than that.
This is, give me 5. This is something that we're gonna attempt to do this year. Put everything back exactly the way we find it, but I doubt that's gonna happen.
There's stakes.
He has stakes, but those stakes aren't really big enough or strong enough. Kinda, but I got the snips. Jonathan says we don't need the snips. Yes, you do. Want to take the plugs out with the snips? Okay, Jax, you do the snipping. Do all the whatchamacallits, all the little tie wires. These guys, but don't cut the wire. Okay, make sure you only cut the tie wire. Yeah.
Why is this smell like so weird?
Snoops. They gave us dirty clothes here. Look how dirty these clothes are. Oh my God. Put them in the washing machine. Look at this dirty clothes.
I think that's the point of the prop.
I know, being sarcastic. Oh! Are you using the constructions? Who says constructions?
Professionals.
Huh?
Professionals don't use computers.
Constructions.
Dad.
Professionals don't use the constructions. Cannonball, Horter cannonball. Go, go, go. Oh, it's only 82 degrees. It's freezing, right? We have like a rush day today as usual because I have to drop Jax off at a certain time. But there is a monster truck show we're going to in Jersey. But it starts at 7. It's not fair. Be anything like the ISC or whatever. And give you a heads up on what locations are in New Jersey on the way to the show because it's a little bit of a drive. And I'm pretty sure it's South Jersey, so I know there's a few that are on the way. So we're gonna check them out. Do you think they're gonna re-release Xenomorph this year?
Yeah.
Definitely, right? I think so. So when we go to flagship, who are we gonna get if we have the chance to get them? Because I'm gonna bring at least enough money for 2 massive animatronics, possibly 3. Well, everybody's gonna want Freddy, and that's gonna be very hard to get.
Sure, Pennywise.
Pennywise too is gonna be very hard to get, but we're trying to get them. We're definitely gonna try to get those 2 guys. All right, who would be the third if those 2 guys aren't available? Because I don't think they're gonna be available unless you get there like number 1, and then what? Maybe if you like the first 50, you'll be able to get one, which is gonna be like so hard to do. You have to like camp out the night before and get you. It's gonna be really hard. If you really want one of those animatronics, you gotta be there early, boy. Early. Then you have to run to the line to get a lanyard. Yes, another box for me to put wherever I can put it, which is nowhere. Yes, it's okay. We do this demo now, and then we'll do a bunch of shorts, and then we're gonna put him in. Where's he gonna go, Jonathan? Jonathan's room? Your room?
We'll see.
I mean, where else could he go right now? We're so out of space, it's insane. Here we go. Our first Spirit Halloween animatronic of 2026. Uh-oh. What do you think, open it or push it?
Let me look.
Jonathan thought he was latex. He's not latex. Let's see his hair, yeah. It definitely reminds me of the Neon Nightmare. No, he's only 6 feet. I'm 6'4". Could you see me? You see my arms, right? Right, hang, hardcore. So, next to my buddy. How tall is he?
He is taller than you.
You're taller than me, half face. I'm sorry, not half face, open face. The guts of Crackle, sorry about that. He unplugged the blue. The blue is the one that does the head. So let's see what happens without the blue in. Will it still work? The sound?
Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah!
It's not letting me close it all the way. There might be like a...
It's plugged in.
Happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show.
There's something stopping it. Oh. All right, let's see what happens now.
The grand finale just for you.
So it doesn't move except for the head. That's it? Only the head does that? There's nothing else?
So much.
$300 for open face and that's it? No movement on the body? Together with shipping and everything like that? Things, this needs to do way more than just...
Welcome to my lonely circus.
Even that.
Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah! Welcome to my lonely circus. Do you want to see a magic trick? Ta-da! What do you think? For my next act, I'll make you disappear. Yeah! I'm so happy you're here. I'm so excited, I could burst. Surprise! Now it's time for the real show. I saved the grand finale just for you. Now try not to scream too much. Something's missing, but the show must go on. I'll tell you what's missing. A few more victims.
All right, so there's Crackles. Now, Jax was saying that he is Crackles' nephew. Who do you think he is compared to Crackles? You think he's related a little bit? Yeah, you don't think he's related?
Not even close.
Not even close? I think he's related to Crackles somehow. Maybe like a distant cousin or like a illegitimate son. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. The Spirit Halloween 2026. Here comes the wind. Say the wind is blowing now, but he's underneath the base of the straw chairs, the straw furniture, the woven straw furniture. All right, everybody, have a great Father's Day weekend. Okay, if you're a dad, make sure you enjoy your kids. I hope you get to see them. I know how it is. So we will see you in the next video. We will definitely see you at Flagship on Friday, August 1st. Like I said, make sure you look for us in around. We will be there in full family effect. We're hoping that Jax is definitely able to come. I know he wants to. It will be his first Spirit Halloween experience at the Flagship and on grand opening. So we are getting ready for that.